Hi everyone, welcome to Soapncrafts. In this video, I'm using a French-style milling method to create the Trendy Grape Cluster soap. French milled soap refers to soap that is ground and pressed multiple times during the production process. Originating in 18th century Provence, France. These soaps are known for their smooth, rich lather and long-lasting fragrance. So first, I used several single oil soaps that had been cured for over 4 weeks. The harder soaps were made with oils like camellia, castor, coconut, macadamia, olive, and palm oil. These bars produce rich lather and have a lighter finished colorant. Medium hardness single oil soaps were apricot kernel oil, avocado oil, and hazelnut oil soaps. They tend to have a slightly yellow tint and offer good moisturizing properties. And the softer soaps were made with oils such as wheat germ, evening primrose, hemp seed, soybean, sunflower, and grapeseed. These oils are high in unsaturated fatty acids, which can lead to a softer texture and a higher risk of rancidity if used in large amounts. However, when added in moderation, they provide excellent moisturizing and antioxidant benefits. During the first milling, start by grating the cured single oil cold process soaps into fine shreds. I divided them into 2 groups, the medium soft soap shreds and the harder soap shreds. Then, melt the soap shreds using the double boiler method. For every 300 grams of soap shreds, add 50 to 60 milliliters of lavender hydrosol. You can also substitute with other liquids such as milk or distilled water. Gently stir until it transforms into a thick, cohesive soap paste. This step requires patience. It may take 30 to 60 minutes for the soap to fully soften and blend. You can use a stick blender to speed up the blending process. Once the soap has turned into a thick paste, pour it into the mold while it's still warm, eliminating any air pockets and ensuring a dense, solid finish. Wait at least 24 hours and allow it to dry in a well-ventilated area. On the second day, after unmolding the soap, you can gently press it to test its firmness and evaluate the texture. During the second time of milling, since the hard soap was too firm and the medium soft soap was still too soft, I ultimately decided to combine both types together for the second round of milling. I placed the mixed soap pieces on a wooden tray, covered them with plastic wrap, and used a hammer to firmly pound them. This method uses pressure to help break down and blend the soap more evenly. Cover the blended soap paste with parchment paper. Then use a rolling pin to flatten and compress it evenly. After completing the second milling, let the soap rest and dry for another 24 hours to allow more moisture to evaporate. In the next video, I'll show you what natural ingredients you can add to milled soap, and how to assemble your very own grape cluster soap. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.